Hello everyone, this is Big Money Chasing Big Money by Copy Trading on Bitget. This is episode 6 of the passive income series on the last day of May 2023. This month was quite extraordinary with excellent results. Let's dive in and see what happened, how the traders managed to ride the waves of the market, and what I expect from the month of June. In my previous video, I mentioned that I was expecting a range between 31 and 25k, which would still be categorized as sideways movement, and that's pretty much what happened. The ups and downs were mainly due to news relating to macroeconomic data from the US and recently China, and of course the debt ceiling debate in Washington DC, which makes the markets nervous. However, this was quite a comfortable situation for traders as there were no real deviations, just drops and spikes that can be traded without too much risk. The overall result is 187 USDT in profit, but let's see how each of the copy traders managed their positions. My trader roster for May was One Monkey, Locking Boy, and Kendrick. One Monkey keeps on grinding according to expectations. He closed some trades in red, which retrospectively wasn't the best choice, but hey, in hindsight it's easy to be smart, so I'll keep him for sure with hopes that he will perform a little better next month. Locking Boy, with 2 months of performance, is doing quite well. This month he closed some of his long-running red positions, which were shorts kept open since January this year, so I have updated the analytics charts with these numbers, and yeah, as you can see, this doesn't look pretty, so I'll need to force a stop loss on his trades. My calculation is that with 10x leverage, I would allow 100% drawdown for each position. I think that this leaves enough room for maneuvers, but still wouldn't allow losing trades to spin out of control. Kendrick, who has been introduced to the roster in the beginning of the month, is doing quite well. I'm absolutely satisfied with his trades. And on my watch list, I still have Emiro, who is not doing bad actually. I will need to see his long position playing out by the end of June and decide if I will start to copy him as of 1st of July or not. My expectation for the month of June is that we will still see some sideways chopping in the markets. I mean, that would be best from a trading point of view, but then again, any major data about the economy can pull and push the prices quite easily. As we see lower volumes in trading, it is far less difficult to make big waves. Alright, this is all I have for the month of May. For next month, I will make a longer analysis of the performance of the traders and my overall progress in this journey that I started on the 1st of January. I hope I will be able to reach the goals that I set for myself originally, and most importantly, I hope all of you guys can learn and make good use of it. As always, comments are welcome. See you next time. Until then, trade safe. Big money out.